Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payments from Stripe to Weebly booking forms, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer payments from Stripe to Weebly booking forms, start by logging into your Weebly account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the site where you want to enable payment integration. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. From the Settings menu, select Checkout. In the Checkout settings, find the section for payment providers. Choose Stripe from the list of available payment options. If you haven't already connected Stripe, click on Connect with Stripe. You will be redirected to Stripe's login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and log in. Follow any prompts to authorize Weebly to access your Stripe account. Once connected, you will return to the Weebly dashboard. Verify that Stripe is now listed as an active payment provider. Next, navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Select the page where your booking form is hosted. Click on the booking form element to edit its settings. In the booking form settings, look for payment options. Ensure the option to accept payments via Stripe is enabled. Customize any additional settings as needed, such as service details and pricing. Save your changes. Now, test the booking form to ensure payments are processed correctly. Fill out the booking form and proceed to the payment step. Enter valid payment information to complete a test transaction. Check your Stripe dashboard to verify that the payment has been received. If you encounter any issues, consult the Weebly Help Center for troubleshooting resources. With these steps completed, you are now ready to accept payments through your Weebly booking forms via Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.